Mr. Ibu said that in the year 2000, when they poisoned him, that he died and his spirit left his body. And when his spirit left his body, he moved to other world. And what Mr. Ibu said that God, the angel of God, sent him back on this earth because it's not yet his time for him to die in the year 2020. But unknowing to him that he has only 4 years to live in this world.
That's no problem. At a time, I didn't know what happened. I left. So whatever I was saying, they recorded it. I was saying something like somebody who is going home actually. I wasn't actually seeing anybody. But the other side where I was that time, I was seeing some people, but God brought me back.
2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, he gave up. But unknowing to him that he has only 4 years to live in this world. Unknowing to him that only 4 years remained him to live in this world, in this planet Earth. Listen to me, let me tell you something that you don't know. Everybody on this earth have his date to live in this world. Whether you're a governor, whether you're a president, whether you're a pastor, whether you're a Christian, whether you're an unbeliever, whether you're a believer, everybody have his own time to live in this world. Many people have their dates in their head, but they will not see it. Many people have 10 years to live on this world. Many people have 20 years. Many people have 50 years. Many have 30, 80. Many have 20. Many have 10 years. Many have 3, 4. Many 5 months. Many 2 weeks. Many tomorrow. Many 3 weeks. Everybody have his own time to live. When Mr. Ibu was giving the testimony, he don't know that he has only 4 years to live on this world. That God sent him back on this earth for him to come to amend many things before he leave this world. Most of you people that listen to the sound of my voice, you have encountered death before, but God delivered you. You came to church and give testimony. But you don't know, one day you will leave this world. Me and you must leave this world. This earth is not our home. We are going to leave this world one day. But the most important thing is that when we leave this world, when will you spend your eternity? That is the most important thing. When will you spend your eternity? When you leave this earth. Heaven and hell. Hell is real. Hellfire is real. There is life after death. The life you live in this world will determine when you will spend your eternity. Listen to me, let me tell you, most of you people do not believe in hellfire. Most of you people do not believe in heaven. But I want you to know that when you will leave this world, when you will die, you will know that there is life after death. I want to ask you a question, listen to me. All the years that God gave you the grace to live on this earth, what will you use those days to do? How many years most of you people have heard the gospel for 20 years, 30 years, but the gospel of the Lord Jesus did not change your heart. You have heard the gospel for 10 years, 25 years, 40 years, and the gospel of the Lord Jesus, you did not allow the gospel of the Lord Jesus to come into your heart, because Jesus said that I'm at your door knocking. If you open your door, I will enter. Jesus has been knocking at your door since many years, but you refuse to open your heart. You refuse to live a holiness and righteousness life. You refuse to follow the footsteps of Jesus, and you are living a sinful life. You believe that nothing will happen to you. Listen to me. After a man dies in this world, the next thing is judgment. You have the right to choose whosoever you want to worship and whosoever you want to serve on this earth. If you want, you obey God. If you want, you not obey God. But immediately that you leave this world, you must obey God. Immediately you close your eyes, you must obey God. You must follow the process that God will give you that time. Majority of the people on this earth, nobody knows when he or her will leave on this world.